What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now, and we're getting ready for our Raz. We should have done it way earlier today, but I apologize. Best of luck. We got one winner coming out of here. Top name taking home this Beauty McDavid rookie. Graded, so one person after the fourth random. Top name. Here we go. Thanks again for your patience, folks. It is 11:18, and Craig Justin. 1, 2, 3. Is it timestamp? Timestamp on 3 is 11:18. 11:18 it is. Last and final random will get us our winner, and it is Mr. Pat Callahan, spot 5. Congrats, Pat. Let me get your last and final timestamp. Spot 5 done it for you, man. I think it was the second spot you took, I believe, 11:19. And 11:19 it is. So congratulations, Pat. Spot 5 after fourth random. Congrats again. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you next time.